Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and from personal experience, I can tell you that doing prospecting or cold emailing can be a tedious task. But what if I tell you that with Snuv.io, it will make your job a lot easier and it will also increase the amount of leads and sales you get? Well, stick around and watch this tutorial as I will be showing you step by step how to use Snuv.io. You can see right here I'm on snuv.io, and all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can tap on get free account, so you can sign up for completely free and you'll get access to a platform that has been used by Canva, Payoneer, SendPulse, DocuSign, and numerous other platforms, as you can see right here. In total, it has been used or is being used by over 175,000 different companies. So it can definitely accept and offer numerous features to you and your company. Some features that it has is email finder, so you won't have to be worrying about cold emailing and so on. You can also use their email verifier feature, which will help you to reduce your bounce rate and keep your database clean with easy 7-tier verification. Now, once you are signed up, you will be redirected to this page. After you're on this page, all I'll need you to do is simply scroll down and we are going to tap on join for free. And by the way, you can see the different features that you'll get on the free plan. So we'll be given 50 credits, better yet, and 100 email recipients. And you can see one mailbox warm up and unlimited sender accounts, unlimited follow-ups. And if in the future you'd like to go onto their paid plan, you can do that, as it starts off at $30 per month. But for now, we're going to be using the free plan. So we'll tap on join for free. After selecting join for free, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And at the moment, this is how our dashboard looks right here, so you can see it now. Now, what I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From the left-hand menu option, you can create a new list by tapping on the plus right here, and you could add the list name. So let's say, for example, new prospect list 1. You can tap on create, and then from there you can tap on add prospects, and you can see right here you can import a CSV file by tapping on import from file, or you could tap on create manually. After selecting create manually, from here you could type in the contact name, as you can see right there. Then you can add their information, their email number, phone number, industry, and company. You can also add a note right here if you want. After you're finished, you'll tap on save. Once it has been saved, if for example you like to send an email, you'll tap on send email. After tapping on send email, you can see that they also have an AI feature that you can use. But for now, we'll tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you can choose to use one of their templates by tapping on templates right here. Then you can check out depending on what is the purpose of your email. So let's say, for example, we're sending a sales email. You can see some different pitches that they have prepared right here, and you can tap on it. Then from there, you can see the different templates right here, and you can read through it and see if it is to your liking. So you can see this one I think is very good. And all you'll need to do is simply fill in your information right where you see they have the brackets right there, and you can send it out. So you can see that this is definitely a good platform to do cold emailing, even if you're a complete beginner. Another thing that I want you to do, let's go back. So we'll go back right here. By tapping right here, you can also organize your emails or your list in a new folder by tapping on folder. And you can also go over to the left hand menu option. From here, if you were to hover over the search icon, you can see the different features that you have access to. So for example, you could tap on all tools and you can see the different tools right here that is provided on the snuv.io platform. You have the prospect database search, which will allow you to find prospects by name, job title, location, skills, and more. For example, if I were to tap on it, you can see that it opens up in a new tab. Once the new tab has opened up, you can see right here, you can select location, you can also enter their job title, and then you can click on search to apply the different filters, as you can see right here. Now, if we were to go back and let's say we were to tap on email search, again, it will open up in a new tab. Once it has opened up in a new tab, from here, all you'll need to do is type in the person's first name that you would like to find their email for. So you can see right here, find emails from your leads, name, and company. But it depends on the amount of credit that you have. Remember, we are given an allotted amount of credit, especially on the free plan, it is a lot less. So all you'll need to do is type in the company first and last name. Then from there, you can type in the company domain name, and you could select find email, and that will help you to zone down and find person's email. You can also use domain search. By selecting domain search, you'll be redirected to a new page, and again, you can do domain search to find email addresses that are attached to that specific domain. For example, let's say I were to go on to ESPN just for example's sake. So let's say I were to do that and I were to copy their URL. So let's give it a quick try. So we'll copy the URL right there. And we're going to go back right here. Let's do a domain search. So we're going to paste it in. So let's see. After doing that, we'll tap on search, enter the company domain, example.com. So let me do that. So we'll clear this section, and you can see right here, you can see the prospects. So we can tap on it. After you have tapped on it, depending on the amount of credit you have, so you can see the related emails, email addresses that are connected to that domain name. So you can see the different prospects right here, and you can simply tap on add list. After you have added them to the list, you can use the snuv.io email templates to do your outreach or prospecting. So this is definitely a good platform to have in your arsenal, as you can see right here. So you can see the different, see it right there. So this is definitely a good arsenal. And let's go back. Another thing that you can do, you can also do company database search. So this will allow you to search companies for leads based on location, revenue, industry, size, and more. You can also do bulk email search, which will allow you to find up to 50,000 emails at a time based on leads, name, and domain. And again, you can also do bulk domain searches using this platform. So let's go back over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you can tap on the sticky icon and you can see individual email verification. If we were to tap on that, we'll be redirected to a new domain. If we were to tap on that, we'll be redirected to a new dashboard. And from here, let's say we were to use one of these emails right here. So let's say we were to tap on this one. After you have selected this one, we are going to tap on add to list. So we are going to add it to new prospect list. So you can see right there, searching emails. So just give it a few seconds. Once you have gotten the email, all you'll need to do now, we could go back right here and you'll simply paste the email. After you have pasted the email, you'll tap on verify email, and then the snuv.io verification process would start. And it is guaranteed a 98% accuracy. As their gray listing bypass technology, you'll be able to verify your emails. And you can also go over, and if you were to hover over the fire flame icon, you can see you can also use their email warm-up feature. And again, you have right here their AI feature. So you can create a new campaign by tapping on new campaigns right here. Then you can tap on Build Your First Campaign. From here, you can choose whether you'd like to use one of their templates or create from scratch. So we'll use one of their templates, and you can see the different templates right here. So you can see them right here. It all depends on your desired outcome. So you can see it right there. So let's say link building outreach. After you have done that, you could tap on select template. After tapping on select template, you'll be redirected to a new page. And at the moment, you can see how the template looks. So it will start right here, and you can see when the first email will be sent. Then you can see the delay, and you can see when the second email will be sent. And you can also add different variants to each section if you want. And if you were to hover over the $ icon, you will be able to use the Snuv.io CRM features. So for example, if we were to tap on deals, we'll be redirected to a new dashboard, and from there you will be able to create your first deal. You can also add tasks if you want, and to add different integrations or extensions, you could hover over the extension icon, and then you can see the different extensions that you can add right there. And to get even further integrations, you'll tap on the last icon, which will allow you to integrate with HubSpot, Calendly, and so much other apps. And if we were to tap on integrations, you can see some of them right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.